Hey guys, welcome to Trail Trash. Today we're going to be showing you something relatively special. I wouldn't say a hidden gem, but it's a gem in the Annapolis Valley. It's Crystal Falls. Hope you enjoy, and please like and subscribe.
Gonna be great, just great. I'm ready to rock and roll, let's go. To just like start off. I'm just behind you, I need to give you a little more space. Yeah, you should. You did that really well. Try to hit it that way. I hear the skid plate in real time, watch it in real time, and then hear it echo in my head. No, because yeah. I don't even think I'm on the first, dude. I'm taking much time. Find that I fall left when I give you space. Because I'm not fucking up and getting in your way in my own way. That being said, everything you had to drive through there, I got to like skirt around. Yeah, apparently this is super aggressive. Yeah, the MT-21s are like as hardcore as you can go, I suppose. I would suppose they're like equal or in the same market category. Yeah, they're in the same category of sales and stuff. But then you ride them for like a week, get like 1,000 kilometers onto them, and they just become slick, slippery, incompetent. I find that we're riding a lot of rocky situations and on a lot of rocky stuff, but there's no reason I should be ripping no, I'm ripping knobs off of it, and it's like, well, that's just lame. That's just lame, and it hurts my feelings. Twitter. You wouldn't have made it. You would not have come up the left side of that. Because that's not a little creepy. Let's just hang a kid's shirt in a tree. Looking like... No. I'm just going to take my kids to his bubble, basically. All of the bubble family. So like, I'm gonna go to your place because we've been hanging out with you guys since the beginning of COVID. My buddy Tyler and his kids, and then we're gonna go to Zach and Jessica Morris's, and then we're gonna go to my grandparents in Kempsville, and yeah, I got it. Well, it's our first Halloween together, so I'm super excited for it. So like, I'm just gonna make it the best that I can. So he'll get to go to his grandparents, his great-grandparents. As many of my friends as are around, I'll take them to all their houses. And then like, if we could smartly do it, we'll get a couple of the other kids that want to go out and do it involved, and then take them as a little group, right? Okay. That's what I thought. Down in the fire roads? Don't do it?
Because you have the biggest one